What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I have the best strategy to make money with when you're trading boom and crash. This is a strategy that allows you to do both buying and selling of boom and crash. So it's a two-in-one strategy that can allow you to go in the direction of the trend, whether you're going to be catching spikes or you're going to be scalping. So it's a two-in-one boom and crash trading strategy. This is one of the best that I've came across, and it is quite simple and uses quite unique indicators to make an analysis on the trend. So we're mostly going to be looking to follow the trend with this strategy. That's why we're going to be looking at the 15-minute time frame so that we can trade in line with the trend. However, this strategy also works on the 5-minute time frame and on all the other higher time frames except the 1-minute time frame. So we're going to take a look at how to install this strategy. We're going to take a look at the conditions that have to be made when using this strategy, and also we're going to take a look at the risk management that has to be taken when one decides to trade using this strategy. Okay, with that said, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell, which is right next to the subscribe button, so that I'll personally notify you when I drop or when I post videos right here on this channel. This will allow you not to miss any of the videos that I share with you, any of the trading tips that I share with you, and any of the strategies that I share with you right here on this channel. Whatever post that I make right here in this channel, you get a notification of it, be it a short, or be it a full video, or be it any promotion that we are running at Accurate Traders. You'll be able to get it as quickly as it drops. Okay, and talking about promotions, if you click the subscribe button and you like this video, you can send me a screenshot of as proof that you have liked and subscribed, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for free. Okay, you'll be able to get my WhatsApp number from the Telegram channel, which the link will be in the description box below. So if you click that link, it will take you straight to where you can find my WhatsApp number. Basically, it's in the Telegram channel, which is a trading community with over 8,000 traders in there that are on the same journey with me of trading. So if you want to be part of that journey as well, just click the link in the description box below and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel, and you can join for free, guys. So so many promotions and so many ways of you to be making money. There are no excuses, I must say, because we are trying by all means to give you all the services that you might need for you to grow in your trading journey. Okay, so these are the settings that we are going to take a look at. We're going to install this strategy in stages so that you don't miss any of the steps. It's quite a long strategy, but we are going to manage it quite easily, as we always do. Okay, so I'm going to remove all these indicators that I have right here, and to be able to do a step-by-step process of installing this strategy. This is a new one. You might already have the strategy before, but it won't hurt for you to try this one. Maybe it's actually better than the one you already had. You never know. So try it out. Like they say, learning never ends. You are always a student in the markets. I'm also a student in this trading. So let's keep learning, guys. Let's keep learning. Okay, the first indicator that I want to install is a moving average. This moving average is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. So we're going to have a period of 5, a shift of 8, a method of simple, and then apply to close. And then there are no levels on this one, but then we can style it to red. I would prefer that you choose the same colors that I'm choosing, because I'm going to be referring to these colors throughout this video. So for it not to be confusing to you guys, just use the same colors as me. And so you can click on done, and you have this red line running across your chart. Okay, by the way, guys, if you are interested in learning about currency trading, Nasdaq trading, Bitcoin trading, or crypto trading and your US 30, your Dow Jones, I've created a third channel that I'm teaching about all that, so that we don't get confused. The link is in the description box below. There are already 5 very powerful strategies on the channel, including a Nasdaq strategy. So if you're interested, go check it out. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to it and stay in tuned. Okay, let's get back to this strategy. We've installed our moving average. Now we want to install our indicator window 1, and so we're going to go to main window, and we're going to look for the stochastic oscillator, which is right here, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. Basically, a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, price field is low over high, and then the levels, these are very important. We're going to need level 80 and level 20. Then you can click on done, and then the styling for the stochastic again, it's quite important. The main should be white, or should be the color of your background. So it's white because I have a white background. If you have a black background, you can choose black. And then also with the signal, it should just have the same color as your background. So these are the final settings for this stochastic oscillator. You can click done, and you should have something like this when you are done. So this shows that you're following the strategy correctly. Basically, it should just show you your level 80 and your level 20 down there. Okay. The next indicator that we want to install is going to go under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click where it says indicator window 1, and it is going to be the alligator. This alligator right here, and it is going to have the following properties. So the jaws period is going to be 13, the teeth period is going to be 8, the lips period is going to be 8, the jaws shift is going to be 5, the teeth shift is going to be 5 as well, and then the lips shift is going to be 3. And then when you reach to method, it should be smoothed and apply to median price. Okay. And then on the styling, it's very important again that you have these styles correctly. The jaws, I chose the color blue. The teeth, we chose the color green. And then the lips, we chose the color of red. And like I said, I might refer to these colors during this video, so just follow them, and then you later on customize these colors to the colors of your own choice. Okay, so these are the final settings of this alligator. We're just going to click on done, and you see that it has shown on my charts. It has been shown on my charts. Okay, last but not least, we want to install our indicator window 2. So again, I'm going to go back to indicators, but this time I'm going to click where it says main window and look for the final indicator that we want to install, which is the average directional movement index, which is the first indicator right there, and it's going to have the following properties. So we're going to have a period of 14, and we're going to have the following levels: level 25, level 75, level 50. Okay, and then the styling for this one, again, please pay very close attention. We only want this style to be red. The D plus can have the background color, as well as the minus DI can also have the background color. So that's why you see mine are all white except this style, which is in red. And so if I click done, we will have something like this on our charts. Okay, and this means that we have successfully installed our strategy. Now we are moving on to learning and knowing about the conditions that have to be met for us to enter into a trade. Okay, the zoom level, you can use second from last zoom level. So basically it's the last zoom level. If you move one step up, it's quite fine for you to be making some trades. Okay, and then the time frame, like I said, I prefer the 15-minute time frame on this one. And right now we're looking at boom, and I'm about to discuss with you guys the properties or the settings for a buy condition. Okay, so How do you enter into a buy trade? Be it on boom, be it on crash. Like I said, it's a 2-in-1 strategy. It works for both. Okay, for boom, like we are in boom 500 right now, you're gonna need this red line on our ADX to be below 50 and very close to level 25. So the first thing is it should be below 50 and very close to level 25. So it can be anywhere within this region, right? The next condition is you also want these lines to also be at level 20 or below on our indicator window 1, and you also want price to cross and close to above that red line on your main chart. So candlesticks have to basically close. The 15-minute candle has to be, or price has to close while it's above the red line. And once you have established this, it means you can enter into a nice buy trade. Okay, let's look for another one here. I'll just highlight on all the conditions. All three conditions were met, and can you see that we managed to go all the way up? Okay, remember this is boom, which means you'll be catching spikes all the way up, Okay, let's see how it works on crash. If you want to scalp crash, we actually have a nice setup that is actually forming. If you are quick to watch this video, you might be able to catch this trade. Let me just remove this. Okay, remember we said we need this red line below 50 and close to 25, of which it is like this. First condition has been met. Second condition, we said we want our lines to be at level 20 or below, which has been done. And then third condition, we want price to close above our red line, and that has been done. And as you can see, price is already moving up. We're already in that buy trend. So all you have to do is now wait and see how it goes. Okay, and then obviously you would also want to be catching some spikes on crash. So basically you want to sell crash. So how do you sell it? It's just the same thing but the opposite conditions, same conditions but opposite. Basically this time we want our red line to be above 50 and close to 75 region. We also want these lines to be above 80 or at 80, and we also want price to close below our red line, and you can see the sell that follows. Okay, you can see the sell that follows. Again, it happened at this point. You could see the sell that follows. You could see the sell that follows. Buy trade right there. The same thing happens even if you're on. Same thing happens even if you're on boom. If you want to sell and scalp it, you're gonna need this red line to be very close to the level 75, and then these ones have to be there above 80, and then price has to cross and close below our red line, and you can sell to that level. Okay, so try this strategy on this booming crash right here with a nice sell setup. All conditions were perfectly met, and as you can see, price sold easily. This was scalping, which means you'd experience some spikes here and there, but they were very small ones, as you can see from the candlesticks, from those bullish candlesticks that are showing. They're barely any bullish candlesticks. Okay, so I want you guys to practice this. Send me results of how this strategy is performing. If you have any other questions, ask them in the comment section below, and I'll respond them to you guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to join our free Telegram community of traders, and don't forget to try these trading strategies on your demo account first before moving on to your live accounts. Until next time.